morning, good morning, good morning, guys. I am at the beautiful St. Pete Beach. Nice. It's 7 a.m., low tide. I'm going to start down there first using the Equinox 800. And if you remember, the last time that I was here, I found a Pimp Daddy ring right there. Look at the top of the screen. I'll put the link to the video and check it out. A gigantic gold-plated Pimp Daddy ring. So I'm going to start out right here and work my way down to the right along the hotels, work on the water and then the dry sand. This says spring break, so it will be packed today. Probably tomorrow is the best day to be here, but and I may come back tomorrow. But I'm going to give it a start. Thanks for watching, folks. Hang with me. We're going to have a great day. We are out in the water. It's low tide, extremely clear. That's awesome. Not a whole lot of waves, so we're going to work out here for a little bit, and then if it doesn't work out, we'll move up to the wet sand and then the dry sand. Wearing the headphones today, folks, so you won't hear the signals like that. Right there, I'm getting a 7. First target. You know, oh, it's glasses, that's why. I could see it right here. A pair of glasses. It's moving on me. Yeah. First find of the day. A pair of, I mean, where are those, man? A pair of sunglasses. Yeah. Oh my God, big chunk of junk. All right. Well, we got to clean it out. Get it out of the water and move on. Damn. I think we got it out of the hole. That was coin. Yep. Where is it? Nickel. Big nickel. Oh, there it is. Penny. Penny in the scoop. Right here on this sandbar now to get maybe the end of an old pipe. I don't know what that is. It's got metal in it. I'm going to walk this sandbar and see what I can find. Could be a waste of time, or you never know. Crazy. Oh, I can see it right there. Pair of sunglasses right on the top. Go. Second pair. All right, now I am striking out big time. So what I did was went up and worked the towel line. I'm going to work that looking for any change that maybe fell out of the pockets or off the towel. Sometimes you'll pick up a ring or an earring and then work any area that you see where they've had their chair set up. And you'll definitely pick up some change there. All right, guys, we're going to work the dry sand a little bit. Getting a 29 right up on the top here. Putting in a buried can. Let's just knock it around a little bit. Make it a little easier. Oh, it looks like a quarter. You can see it right there. Yeah, so I come up out of the water. This quarter's been here a while. Look at it, it's tarnished. We get a quarter. Up around the chairs now, getting a, looks like a quarter right here. Yep, in the scoop. hear it. Hear that jingle? Yep, it's a quarter. Get it out. There we go. Got a quarter. One of them little smoking deals. Find quite a few of these on the beach. Got a penny down there pretty deep. All corroded. Okay, getting another 29.30. Sounds like a quarter. Right here on the top. Let's see how healthy it is. To the scoop. Oh, it's been here a while. Yeah. All right, guys, I'm striking out a few coins here and there. But I saw this little wedding setup here. And they've got a wedding directly behind me they're setting up for me. I'm going to try this before they get going in between these chairs. If they do one every week, there's no telling what dropped out of people's pockets. Yep. Quarter. Yeah, it's got a nickel. We'll find a lot of nickels on the beach. Nope, yeah, it's in the scoop. There you go. It's been here a while. A penny, big penny, big, 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 big. Got one in my hand. Crusty old penny. Okay. I think there's another one, I'm pretty sure. 20 or 21 right here. Still in the hole. Cut it out. Let's scan it. It's right down there. Let's take a look. Here. It's a crusty penny. Yeah, wait. Just a dime. Up in the dry dirt, working my way back. Got about an hour left. That's it, no bling yet. A little Captain American. Here you got the second truck. The car. God, oh, look, please, that's cool. Alright guys, got a hit here. It's like a couple of items, but as soon as I move some of the dirt, I see a coin right there on the top, right at the end of my scoop. So let's get that. Maybe we have a coin dump, who knows. What do we got? Big quarter right there. Let's see what else we got. Oh yeah. Right here, getting another, sounds like another quarter. Somewhere right in here.
Oh my God.
Yep, it's in the scoop. Yep, there you go. 2 quarters. Back to back. There's another one over there. Another quarter. Alright, that's 3 into that hole. Let's see if there's more. Alright, on the way out I saw this bench. Thought I'd check up underneath it. So I'm getting a 29 right here. Could be a quarter. Under the bench. So you got to check everywhere. Got it.
side of the hole. Let's check it. Come on. Quarter into the bench. Yep. There it is. Ooh, guys, I'm out of gas. It's 12 o'clock. So I got here at 7, I believe 7 a.m. Nothing but a bunch of change. So I'm packing it up, gonna head out of here. Found a couple of cool little toys, but that's it. No bling bling. May have to come back tomorrow.
Well, I didn't get any bling, but I did find some change, and you know what? Awesome day at the beach. It's never a bad day. I did manage to find a couple of cool monster truck toys, and I had fun playing with these. I'm going to give these to my nephew, and he's going to enjoy it just as much as I did. Guys, welcome back. That's a wrap for today. Hey, we didn't get any bling, but I had a great time getting out there and metal detecting. St. Pete Beach is just beautiful, and it really didn't seem like spring break. I just didn't see the overabundance of people. Now, when I left, it was pretty crowded, but still not for spring break. Maybe it's going to pick up in the next couple of weeks. Hope you enjoyed it, and as always, please right there hit that subscribe button. Just smash it. And be sure to share this channel and comment. You know, it's just so important. My goal this year, 2021, I want to double and I want to hit 1,000. So please help me. And you can do it. All you got to do is simply share this channel, comment, subscribe. It's so important. It doesn't cost a thing, and it's free if you enjoy the content on this video. And hope you like what's coming up next, the COPTECH Vault. I'll see you on the next dig. Another crazy story. This is just unbelievable. This man, 35 years old, walks into the police department, goes to the bathroom, and he shoots up and overdoses on heroin. The officer hears a thud. He hits the floor. We have to kick the door in, and then he's taken to the hospital, and he is again charged with possession of heroin. Guys, that is just one of the many crazy stories I had to deliver to the media as a spokesperson the last 7 years that I worked at the police department. A crazy story, but it's true, believe it or not. And that's my story from the COPTECH Vault.
Pretty